Dee, what are you going to do today?
Say all by myself.
All by myself.
What all by yourself?
Ride a bike.
Ride your bike all by yourself? No way, without any training wheels?
Say I can do it. Want to see?
You want to see?
Yes, let's do it.
Which way are you going?
This way.
Uphill first? Okay, let's go uphill first.
Here comes Big Brother. Woo, so fast. Here comes Little Brother. Woo, Dee, go! Yay! Look at him go! Woo-hoo!
All right, Dee, make your turn.
Oh, we have one down over there. Nicely done, Dee!
Out of his way, Enzo. Dee, tell Mommy all by myself.
All by myself.
Look at you, big boy! You're ready for moto, dude!
Yeah, my motor's all away.
Pedal hard all the way up. Go hard.
Nicely done, Dee! Look at him go! So proud!
Oh, slowly. Enzo, out of his way.
Making the turn. Coming down the hill. Think he's getting faster and faster.
All by myself, Dee.
All by myself.
I can
You
do it.
are.
Say it, I can.
Great job.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll give him a push.
Great job. Go, go, go. Unbelievable, Dee. There's Mr. Stunt 1.
Yeah.
Here comes Stunt Rider number 2.
Dee, show me some brakes and see if you can stop at Mommy. Show me some brakes.
It's done.